How to factor quadratic trinomials of the form ax squared plus bx plus c using the big X method. The format is we put the middle coefficient b at the top and we put the product of the two outer constants a and c on the bottom. So, first example, factor 8x squared minus 14x plus 3. Our first step is to fill in the top and the bottom of the big X. So we create the big X. Again, we put the middle coefficient b, negative 14 in the top, and the product of a and c, which is 8 times 3, or 24 on the bottom. Next, we want to find the factors of 24 that add to negative 14. 24 is 1 times 24, 2 times 12. We notice that negative 2 plus negative 12 equals negative 14. So we put those two negative factors in. And our third step is we're going to add x and divide by 8. And so we divide our constant numbers, our factors by 8, put the x in. We reduce. Negative 2 over 8 becomes negative 1 over 4. Can't have that fraction, so we move the 4 in front of the x, and we have 4x minus 1. On the right-hand side, negative 12 over 8 reduces to negative 3 over 2. Move the 2, and we have 2x minus 3 in the parentheses. Finally, our solution is that 8x squared minus 14x plus 3 equals 4x minus 1 times 2x minus 3. All right, let's get in another example here. Example, let's factor 5x squared plus 19x minus 4. Step 1, top is the middle coefficient 19. The bottom is the product of the outer constants, 5 times negative 4, which is negative 20. We look for factors of 20 that, in this case, have a difference of 19. And so that'll be step 2. 20, 1 times 20. Well, 20 minus 1 equals 19, so there they are. Notice that positive 20, negative 1 gives us that positive 19. So the next step will be to add an x, divide by that leading coefficient a. And so 20 divided by 5 is 4, so we have x plus 4 in one parentheses. We move that 5 in front of the x, and we have 5x minus 1. Finally, our solution, which is the final step, is 5x squared plus 19x minus 4 equals x plus 4 times 5x minus 1. And there we are.